What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and all my stupidity. On today's episode, I'm gonna show you the paint process on my 2017 Honda Civic to get it looking from this to this. Alright, so now that all the front end pieces are painted, came out really nice. I'm going to start assembling everything, but I'm going to leave everything loose because I want everything to match nice. This is the time that you got to, this is the time you got to use to line everything up, make sure that everything, all the gaps are nice. So, okay. Well, the door doesn't want to stay open. Not a problem. Not a problem at all. There we go. Look at that. So, what you want to do is you want to start putting everything on, but like I said, leave everything a little loose so you can have wiggle room. You want to have it loose enough to where you can move it, but kind of tight that you put it in a certain position and it doesn't move. So like that, you have a little bit of wiggle room here and there, but it won't actually move. Let me turn that off. My cameraman got scared. Oh my God! Alright. That's on. Alright. Let me get that out of the fender. It would have been a smart idea if you took the damn screw out, boy. That was a little bit tight, so. I moved all the screws around, so I gotta figure out what the hell I did with them. Ah, found it. There you go. Leave that on right there. So, let me move this out of the way. You know what? See, you want to be able to, you want to have some play on your parts so that you can adjust everything and make sure that everything goes in place, which it looks really, really, really nice. I like the way it's looking. Nice. And everything's still loose, so I have a lot of wiggle room to move around, play with the gaps, make sure that everything is lined up really nice. Awesome. Okay, so normally I don't paint cars when if I'm just painting pieces, I don't like having the cars inside the shop. But with this one, the oil pan is cracked. So there's a small crack here and it's leaking out the oil. So I had no other choice but to leave the car in the shop while I did everything. No. So I had no choice but to cover it all up real nice. I covered up the car real nice so that it didn't get overspray on it. And yeah, I just did what I had to do. Door gaps are really nice. All right, so I got it. Get this down a little bit. Look at the bumper. Okay, so next what I'm gonna start doing is, since I can't really do anything else to the actual car, I can't put any parts on, I can't put the lights on, I can't put the bumper on and secure everything because I have to put the radiator, condenser, AC lines, the water, the thermostat. The thermostat and thermostat housing broke when it crashed the car. So I got a couple other things. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start putting the bumper back together, put the grill on, whatever goes on the bumper, I'm gonna start putting what's going on. Now I'm gonna be honest. I went to Honda to buy these parts because, believe it or not, the Honda dealer gave me a better price for these things than I would have gotten them at the market. Aftermarket, everybody wanted you know what, I even forgot. But take my word for it. The Honda dealer gave me the best deal ever. I said, ooh. So, and they fit perfect.
I can never even crash.
They do have screws that go underneath it, so don't forget to pop those screws in there. I'm just putting them in for now. About here, I'm just putting them in for now. Like I said, I'm leaving everything loose. Because I want to make sure that everything lines up like I said before. So I'm just gonna snap them in place. Then later on, I'll get the 4 screws that go in and screw in. This is the lower grille. Kind of cool. It's nice. I like it a lot. I absolutely love the way the silver looks with the black. It sets it off really nice. There's like very few colors that, like, I'm a big color guy, but there's very few factory colors that I like. Red and silver are among the 2 colors that I really like from factory, just because they look so nice with, like, silver and black looks really good. Silver and like copper look really good together. So those colors look really nice, like red and copper, red and black. They look really good. So, okay. Well, there's not really much else I can do. I'm still missing a couple of parts. I'm missing the fan shroud. I'm missing AC lines. I'm missing a few key parts to finishing everything up, including the oil pan. So I'm gonna leave this video here for today, and yeah, we're gonna get back at this hopefully tomorrow if my parts all come in. Yeah, there we go. Took the hoopty out for a little test drive. Drives really good. There you go, people. Yeah, the hoopty. I gotta wash it. It's all dirty. But, yep. There she go. Oh, I forgot to put the back piece. I gotta put that back piece right there. I got that. It's in the trunk somewhere. I bought it brand new. But yeah, everything is working. I got... yeah, look at the reverse camera. Skis. Look at that, skis. I gotta put the little plastic piece from there, and then I'll be done with the interior. Oh, and put the airbag on, because I got the airbag. I haven't put it on. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.